How to fix Facebook transient error domain on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Facebook transient error domain or code 44 error on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to check for the updates available for Facebook on your iPhone. So for that, open the App Store on your iPhone. Alright, so from the App Store, you'll have to search for Facebook. And after you find the Facebook, you can easily update the latest version of Facebook on your iPhone. So for that, tap on the option update or resume from here. And after you update the latest version of Facebook, your problem might be solved now. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there and open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so from the settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option general. And from the general section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and from here tap on VPN and device management. Alright, so from the section, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN on your iPhone. So you have to just disconnect all of the VPNs from your iPhone, and after you done it, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just check for the stable internet connection on your iPhone or not. So for that, open your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and from here you'll have to just check whether your network is stable or not. And after you done it, you'll have to just back from there, and from there you can easily open the Facebook and try to log in your Facebook. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just open the settings section again, and from here tap on the option general again, and from the general section scroll down at the bottom, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, so from here tap on reset, and now from here you'll have to just tap on the option reset network settings. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, and after you confirm with your iPhone passcode, you'll be able to reset all of the network setting on your iPhone. And after that, you'll have to just again connect with your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and from there, you'll have to just try to log in with your ID on Facebook, and from there, you can easily fix that problem. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.